Hello guys, today I would like to show you the result how a robotic Parkside Lawnmover cut the grass, and you can see the terrain is very nice in comparing to what was there before. It really is becoming very nice high quality lawn, and I was testing this machine about 7 days, and before of installation of the steel spikes, it was very problematic machine, and I couldn't really make it work properly. But after installation of these spikes, you can see them in between the wheels. Yeah, after installation, things really were solved. And also I had to mention I take away bottom covers, this black front cover, and also this middle black bottom cover, and that really improved cross-country ability of this machine. So really, yeah, the cable is over there where it ended operation, and you can see that meanwhile the other area which was not cut, uh, it is much higher, the grass, and this is on this right side. This is the result of this machine. So really, if you hesitate to install these steel wheel spikes, you don't have to hesitate, because really it is great help. And also, yeah, it is up to you, but yeah, in my case, these bottom plastic covers, I put them away, and really it is making great results. So, and also I have to say, when I bought it, and just with these original wheels, it was not able to park in the docking station. I really had huge issues with this, because the terrain is not even. It's on a small hill, so, and the docking station is also on the small hill. I mean, I can show it to you. I put there temporarily cover, because I was not able to order original uh, cover from Parkside, because it was not available in eShop. So I had to improvise somehow. So I took some bricks, I took some IKEA lid, uh, and I just hide it underneath. So here it is. You can see over there. So I mean, the aim is to protect it against the rain, and also against the strong sunshine during summer. So we will see how it will work. I mean, I plan to replace it with original garage, but I think on this eShop they had it only for a few days, and now it is not available. So I will watch, and yeah, once it will be available, maybe I will buy it. But for now, this temporary one, it's fine. The green light is turned on, so the cable was not interrupted. Cable is somewhere here. So I was not burying it, so it is here. I was not burying it because I was not sure if if I will have to move it. There was one small place where it was, the cover of this robotic machine, it was touching this edge, and then it was preventing to move further. So I had to realign this grounding cable, and now it is working fine. So I mean, this is just the first test, and in case of issues, I have to change it. So that is the reason why I didn't bury it yet. But so far so good, and it was not cut by the machine. I had to bury it. I uh, made small groove and hide this cable in this groove. So yeah, that was really helpful, and I can see that this machine is really running several days without any issue. So I was able to control it online because I saw in application that the status of this machine, that it is either it's cutting or it's standby or it's charging. So, but really with these steel spikes, I didn't have any issue. Okay, guys. So if you like the video, don't forget to press the like. If you like my channel, Perfect Man channel, don't forget to subscribe. And I wish you have a nice day.